Hey there and welcome to the JavaScript course ES6 and beyond. The main objective of this course will be to cover the new features in JavaScript brought in after ES6, which includes ES7, 8 and 9. We will start with understanding what JS is and we will set up your machine for the whole course. What is JavaScript? If you ask this question to people who are pretty experienced in development but never been into JavaScript, they will simply say JavaScript is a client-side language, which is pretty much formally correct. But that's not the whole truth. JavaScript is not just a client-side language anymore. It has become more than just that. Now you can make web servers using Node.js or make an entire computer application using Electron. Frameworks like React and Angular make JS even more powerful. Using React Native, you can make Android or iOS applications in JS. With Google's TensorFlow.js project, it is pretty much evident that soon we will be building machine learning projects in JS. You must be wondering what ES6 means. Back in 1995, when JavaScript was developed by Netscape and they released it for every browser, there was a subtle requirement of standardization of how browsers will use JavaScript. So an organization named the European Computer Manufacturers Association was assigned this job. ES stands for ECMAScript, which is the standard for scripting languages such as JS. They bring on the changes to JS and they keep on improving it. In this course, we will be covering the concepts of JavaScript after the ES6, which was released in the year 2015. For this course, you will require three tools: Node.js, a code editor, which I will prefer Microsoft Visual Studio Code, but you can use Atom, Sublime, or any other code editor of your choice. A browser. Well, back 3 months, I will say Google Chrome is my first choice, but now that Microsoft has released Microsoft Edge new version with the Chromium engine, so I'll prefer Microsoft Edge. You can download Node.js from nodejs.org. I will suggest to download 12.16.2, which is the LTS version for right now, and I'll simply suggest you to download LTS version of your time when you are watching this course. You can download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com, and you can download Microsoft Edge from microsoft.com/edge. Well, that's it for our introductory video. We will understand about where and let in the next video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And as always, thanks for watching.